Hey everyone, okay, so little bonus video for you. I bought one of these. Here it is. I bought that and then I thought after I tested it, I bought 3 more. So before I show you a demonstration, so I've got some eyeshadows I've just swatched on my hand, and let me give it a quick, so you can can you see that? Let me give it a quick spritz. Okay, so this is the new product from Huda Beauty. As mentioned, I did buy it, called Resting Boss Face. It's a waterproof setting spray, ultra matte finish. You get 100 mils of product in here. In terms of longevity, in terms of how long this is going to last you, I actually don't know. I would guesstimate if you're going to do, say, 4 spritzes on your face, you're probably going to get it daily. You're probably going to get round about 6 to 8 weeks of product in here. For those of you whose makeup melts off very, very quickly, or you're looking for a matte finish, this delivers on that. And even though this is a positive review because I've tested it, there is one negative. So we'll talk about the positives. It is the strongest setting spray I've come across, and I've reviewed lots of them. It is ultra setting. It really is. It's quite extraordinary. Now, it contains alcohol, so that's something you need to be aware of for those of you sensitive to it, but it does evaporate, but it's just, it is in there, so you need to bear that in mind. If you find your makeup sliding off or you're very oily, this can make a big difference. I've got it on my face, and I've had it on since this morning, about 8 o'clock, and it is now 3 o'clock. So it's pretty good for me because I am a greasy guy. So, what's the negative? It really has the strongest fragrance. Now, I am very, very sensitive to fragrance. So, you know this Charlotte Tilbury Scent of a Dream? So a lot of people love it. The scent of a migraine, as far as I'm concerned. Anything very floral irritates me immensely and can cause me really bad headaches. This, unfortunately, has that kind of floral fragrance. So even though I've tested this for myself today, I've tested it on others, but for me, it's not something I can wear personally because I'm sensitive to fragrance. But everyone else I've sprayed this on, they didn't give 2 shits. They thought it was just fine. So it's a personal thing. So I've sprayed my little wristy with eyeshadows here from depotted Charlotte Tilbury ones. I mean, this palette is an oldie, but a goodie. It's like me. So all you're going to do is just to give you an indication. I mean, can you even see that? Can you see that? It's not like I'm not rubbing hard. I like to rub hard. That's why I don't last too long. Anyway, so look, it is quite extra. I mean, that one is a celestial shade, right? Oh, why did I put it here? That is a celestial shade, come on. And you can still see the sparkles. It's just like, look at that. It's extraordinary. Oh, but it whiffs. Oh, it whiffs. But it's really good. Huda's coming out with a lot of good products recently, so very impressed. If you really need that kind of extreme hold, this will do it for you 100%. It is extreme. Oh, but it's extreme. Thanks for watching. Links down there. See you next time. Bye-bye.